Hello, super writers. Our target skill for today is I can write opinion pieces using examples. In an opinion piece, your reasons and examples are facts that support your opinion. Use the video on the slide before this to review supporting your opinions. Your job for today, boys and girls, is to use text evidence. This week, we're reading High Fly Guy. Use this page from the text, page 139, to support your opinion. I think the judges are feeling, What do you think, first graders? Tell me one reason that you think this, and give me 2 examples from the text. You can use the words and the sentences in the text. You can use the pictures from the text. Use our text, High Fly Guy, to support your opinion. What did you read? What do you see in this story? I'll see you next time, super writers.